Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain particular integral of homogeneous linear equations with constant coefficient. So let the differential equation be f of d comma d dash equal to phi of x comma y. So therefore particular integral equal to 1 by f of d comma d dash into phi of x comma y. So this is the particular integral if the function is in the form of phi of x comma y. So therefore we have general solution, that is complementary function plus particular integral, and we have the formulas that are 1 plus x whole power minus 1 equal to 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus and so on, and 1 minus x whole power minus 1 equal to 1 plus x square plus x cube plus and so on, and 1 plus x whole power minus 2 equal to 1 minus 2x plus 3x square minus 4x cube plus and so on. And for last formula, 1 minus x whole power minus 2 equal to 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube plus and so on. So by using these formulas, finding the particular integral of the form phi of x comma y. So let me explain the problems on this method. So here I am taking first problem, d square minus 2d d dash plus d dash square into z equal to 12xy. So first to find the auxiliary equation. So here auxiliary equation is substituting d equal to m and d dash equal to 1. So m square minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. So m square minus m plus 1 equal to 0. So m into m minus 1 into m minus 1 equal to 0. So roots are m equal to 1 comma 1. So therefore complementary function, that is f1 into y plus mx plus here x into f2 of y plus mx. So here m value is 1. So therefore our complementary function f1 into y plus x into f2 of y plus x. So this is the complementary function. Next, to find the particular integral of given problem, so that is equal to 1 by f of d comma d dash into phi of x comma y. So 1 by given problem, that is d square minus 2d d dash plus d dash square into 12xy. So 1 by, here this can be written as a minus b whole square formula, that is d minus d dash square into 12xy. So 1 by, in this here I am taking d square is common. So 1 minus d dash by d whole square into 12xy. So 1 by d square. So this can be written as 1 minus d dash by d whole power minus 2 into 12xy. So here by using the formula 1 minus x whole power minus 2. So that is equal to 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube. So 1 by d of xy equal to y into integration of x. So y into x square by 2. Next 1 by d square of xy equal to y into y by 1 by 2 into integration of x square. So that is x cube by 3. So here by expanding the equation, that is, so 1 by d square of 1 plus 2 into d dash by d plus remaining terms are zeros into 12xy. So 1 by d square into here 12xy plus 1 2 into 1 by d cube into d dash of 12xy. So 1 by d square of 12xy. So here 1 by d square value x cube by x cube y by here 6. So 12 into x cube y by 6 plus 2 by here 12 into 2 24 by d cube into d dash of xy. So here 6 2s are 12. So 2x cube y plus so 24 by d cube into x. So 2x cube y plus 24 by here 1 by d cube of x. So 1 by d, that is integration of x equal to x square by 2, and integration of that is 1 by d square integration of x square by 2. So 1 by 2 into x cube by 3. So x cube by 6. Next 1 by d cube, that is x power 4 by 6 into 4 24. So 2x cube y plus 24 into here 1 by d cube of x is x power 4 by 24. So 24 cancel. So final our particular integral 2x cube y plus x power 4. So therefore general solution is complementary function plus particular integral. So complementary function value f1 into y plus x plus x2 in x into f2 of y plus x plus 2x cube y plus x power 4. So this is the general solution of next problem. Here d square plus 3d d dash plus 2d dash square into z equal to x plus y. So first here auxiliary equation, that is m square plus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. So then roots are m square plus 2m plus m plus 2 equal to 0. Then m into m plus 2 plus 1 into m plus 2 equal to 0. So m plus 1 into m plus 2 equal to 0. So roots are m equal to minus 1 comma minus 2. So coming to the complementary function, that is f1 into here y plus mx. So y minus x plus f2 into y minus 2x. Next coming to the particular integral. So that is particular integral equal to 1 by f of d comma d dash into phi of x comma y. So 1 by here f of d comma d dash function d square plus 3d d dash plus 2d dash square into x plus y. So here d square is common, then 1 by d square of 1 plus 3d d dash by d square plus 2d dash square by d square into x plus y. So 1 by d square into here 1 plus 3d dash by d plus 2d dash square by d square into x plus y. So 1 by d square into 1 plus 3d dash by d plus 2d dash square by d square whole power minus 1 into x plus y. So here by using the formula, then 1 plus x square and so on x power n whole power minus 1 equal to 1 plus 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube and so on. So by using this expansion, here 1 minus 1 by d square into 1 minus 3d dash by d into x plus y. So 1 by d square into here 1 into x plus y, that is x plus y, minus 1 by d square into d d cube. So 3d dash by d cube into x plus y. So 1 by d square of x plus y. So here first term 1 by d square of x plus 1 y. So integration of x plus y, that is x square by 2 plus y constant into x. Next by d square is nothing but integration of x square by 2 plus xy into dx. So x cube by 3 into 2 6, and here x square by 2. So 1 by d square of x plus y value of x plus y equal to 1. So substituting these values, here 1 by d square of x plus y is x cube by 6 plus x square y by 2 minus 3 by d cube into d dash of x plus y is 1. So here 1 by d of 1. So that is integration of 1 is x. Next 1 by d square value, integration of x value x square by 2. Next 1 by d cube, that is nothing but integration of x square by 2. So that is x cube by 6. So substituting these values, x cube by 6 plus x square y by 2 minus 3 into x cube by 6. So finally our particular integral value is x cube by 6 plus x square y by 2 minus x cube by 2. So coming to the general solution, that is complementary function plus particular integral. So here complementary function f1 into y minus x plus f2 into y minus 2x plus x cube by 6 plus x square y by 2 minus x cube by 2. This is our complementary function and particular integral and general solution of given problem. Hope you are all understood this topic. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.